Hello everybody, welcome back to WAXP Coin holders. Welcome guys. Guys, right now click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button right now for more updates and news videos about cryptocurrencies market and especially about WAXP Coin, guys. And if you have any type of question about WAXP Coin, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your question in the next video. Anyways guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price update of the WAXP. So let me show you guys. The current live price of the WAXP in the market is 0.359232 USD dollar. That is the current live price of the WAXP in the market. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes occur in the WAXP, so you can see here guys, WAXP coin is going crash. But just only guys, today changes is negative today. And you know what guys, I believe that after 1 day, after 2 day falls, WAXP will again take a quick jump. The price of the WAXP will again explode. It is just a beginning guys. Now you can see guys, the latest changes is negative, but does not mean that it is a permanently, it is a continuously false, it is a continuously dumps of the WAXP. No, it is just a temporary. Let me show you the price chart of the WAXP. You can see here guys, from on the 23 August the price of the WAXP start pumping. So it is just a beginning of a pump. It is just a beginning guys. Just hold for a long time. I recommend for you. And if you want to buy WAXP, so I recommend, really good idea to buy WAXP because the future of WAXP is very bright. Anyways, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about WAXP? Tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates video.